Hi guys, so recently I've been trying to buy a light that I will be able to use while I'm shooting my videos as a content creator. So I went to Aliexpress to start looking for affordable LED video lamp. So getting to Aliexpress, I started looking for LED video light that are within my budget. I saw a lot of LED video light from search results. As you can see, there are a lot of LED video light you can get on Aliexpress. But there's one particular thing that drew my attention to this particular LED video light. The ZSYB bicolored video LED light is a powerful light. As you can see, it is a 60-watt bicolored light, and it is being priced around 60,957 naira. I think they are running on some kind of discount. I think there's a minus 10% discount right now on this particular light. So as you can see, it's a very portable light with an handle, and the shipping is around 11,378 Nigerian naira. So as you can see from the package list, it contains the box itself, contains the light protector, the handle, and the charger. So the ZSYB bicolored LED video light is so light and easy to create with. The net weight is about 556.5 grams, lighter than a bottle of water, and the length of the lamp body is about 120 by 110 millimeters. It is small and light, convenient to carry, providing you with convenient creative conditions. The intensity of this light is about 18,000 lux. As you can see, it comes in 3200 and 5700 color temperature. So let's unbox this particular light and let's see what's inside the package. So the first thing here is the Bowen mount, as you can see, and this is the light itself. It comes with a light cover. You have to push and press before you can open it. And the next thing we have here is the remote control. As you can see, it comes with a remote control, and here is the power pack, about 15 volts, as you can see. Okay, and the next thing we have here is the handle. This is what you use in holding the light, as you can see, and a pamphlet, which is, I think that's the manual. Others, I don't need them. So I'll be trying to put on this light. I'll just try and plug in the adapter and screw the handle. As you can see, it has a thread where you have to screw in that particular part into the light. Then when you're done, you make sure you tie that particular part and make sure the light is firm. As you can see, this light is very powerful and bright. I think this is about 5% intensity. I will try to push it up to about 100% intensity. Oh wow, you can see this light is very bright. Actually, they said this light is about 60 watts. I can say this light is very bright. I can't say if it's up to 60 watts or not up to 60 watts. This light is actually very bright. Here's the remote control. As you can see, there are a lot of functions you can access directly from the remote control. So this light has built-in 8 special effect modes, like the paparazzi, the flash, the explosion, the fireworks, and all the likes. Also, this LED light can also be powered with adaptive batteries. I mean 2 adaptive batteries, like the NP4550, F750, F9750 batteries. So to increase the intensity of this light, all you have to do is turn the dial to the right. By doing that, you're increasing the intensity of the light, and if you want to reduce the intensity, you turn the dial to the left. To also access other functions, you have to push in the knob to access the function. To change the color temperature, you have to either push to the right or push to the left to switch between warm temperature and daylight temperature. Looking at this light priced around $80, which is around 90,000 naira, I can say it's very affordable compared to the Arman light and the Godox MF60 light, which are almost in the same category. I would say if you're on a budget and you are looking for a very powerful light, this is a go-to light for you. This light only costs about $80, I think, plus shipping. That's around let's say 90,000 Nigerian naira. If you are strictly on a budget and you are looking for a powerful LED video lamp you can use for your content, probably as a content creator, as a YouTuber, cinematographer, videographer, or whichever video content you create, and you need a very powerful LED video lamp and you're on a budget, I will recommend this particular LED video lamp for you.